Hey guys, it's your girl Simone, aka Simone, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my eyebrows just like this with $10 of drugstore products. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching. So the first step is going to be to groom your natural brows. The first step to good brows is a good base. I'm going to be using my Absolute New York eyebrow pencil, my MAC concealer, my LA Girl concealer, my angled brush, another angled brush, a clean mascara wand, and some dark brown eyeshadow. First, you're just going to start by outlining your natural eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil. And then I'm just going to brush that out with my mascara wand at the end of my brow pencil. Make sure you use your mascara wand to brush and blend this product because you don't want to look like Sharpie brows, okay? What you do to one eyebrow, do to the other. Right here, I'm just going to add some hair-like strokes to the front of my brows because I don't want it to be uniform to the rest of my brow. I'm just using my fingers to sharpen my angled brush so it's a little bit more defined for the tail ends of my eyebrow. And I'm just filling in necessary gaps so that way I don't have any sparse areas of my eyebrow. And then just brush and blend that eyebrow, sis. Blend that eyebrow, okay? It's gonna look crazy, but trust the process. You're gonna grab a concealer that is lighter than your foundation or your skin tone. That way it defines and highlights your brow. So you're literally just outlining what you sculpted out from your natural brow, and you can already see, you know, the difference of the definition between the sculpted brow and the one that I have not yet highlighted. I'm gonna go ahead and also highlight the top of my eyebrow just to define it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna show you guys also what it looks like when I use the LA Girl concealer, because it's not a big difference and the price range of these two concealers is crazy different, okay? But before I show you that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation color that matches the rest of my face to blend out the concealer surrounding my eyebrows using the fluffy side of my angled brush. What you don't want is to be looking crazy out here with, you know, concealer just, you know, around your eyebrows. It looks crazy. So right here, I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer so you can see the difference between the MAC concealer and the drugstore product, just so you can see they both work super well and you don't have to spend a lot of money to get some nice eyebrows. And then voila, you see how your girl is looking, okay? I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my eyebrow with a little bit of concealer. This is the eyebrow I did with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is the side I did with my MAC. Right here, I'm just filling in the front of my eyebrow a little bit for my desired look, and eyebrows on fleek default. Gotta add some lashes to give yourself that look, sis, okay? And then this is how we are looking. Mwah. It's the eyebrows for me. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and then let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel.